Japanese people have traditionally lived with a deep respect for nature. Rather than attempting to conquer it, they have developed a lifestyle that was well harmonized with it. Today, we would like to introduce the Japanese sense of appreciation for natural sounds. The leaves of a bamboo thicket near a village rustle softly in the breeze. It is a sound much loved by the Japanese. The dry sound of bamboos being hit and the strong reverberations of Japanese drums echo through a bamboo thicket. A unique kind of concert has begun. All those present are free to hit the bamboos as they like. This is a symphony played by both humans and nature itself. The shakuhachi flute is said to provide a unique Japanese sound. It's a simple instrument made from a bamboo stem with just 5 holes. It provides a sound closely associated with the sound of the wind, a sound that the Japanese have long treasured. A clear ringing sound echoes from somewhere beneath a tranquil Japanese garden. Its source is a suikinkutsu, an underground water koto, a kind of automatic outdoor musical instrument that makes use of nature. An up-ended earthenware jar with a hole in the bottom is buried underground. It produces a sound when water drips into it. The sound varies slightly according to the size of the droplets. In ways like this, the Japanese have traditionally fostered their keen sensibility towards natural sounds. The refreshing sound of a Furin wind bell is very pleasing on a hot, humid summer day. Wind bell markets sell many types of Furin, which ring in the slightest breeze to provide a feeling of coolness. The traditional annual festivals held all over Japan provide various sounds that thrill spectators. The streets are filled with the sound of Japanese musical instruments, mixed with the enthusiastic cries of the participants. Shamisens, flutes and drums. Men and women of all ages get carried away by these Japanese sounds produced from natural materials. We hope you too will be reminded of the beauties of nature whenever you hear the unique sounds of Japan.